More than 23 million people fall ill each year just by eating contaminated food, according to WHO. And as per another report, there are as many different viruses as there are stars in the sky. To keep our bodies from becoming sick, the best solution is to build up our immunity from within. Thankfully, it's actually easy to achieve. Here are the list of 10 foods you can consume to boost your immune system naturally. Almonds. Aside from an ounce of almonds having the same calcium value as 1/4 cup of milk, these wonderful nutrients can help keep your body fit. According to researchers, almonds boost the immune system, especially against viruses. High in vitamin E and fiber, they can also keep your blood sugar in check. Sunflower seeds. A perfectly healthy snack, sunflower seeds can also prove to be your savior when it comes to immunity. They reduce the risk of various chronic diseases like Alzheimer's, they keep your heart healthy, and they also prevent sickness. It also works wonders for expecting mothers and helps the fetus to healthily develop. Papaya. Rich in antioxidants, the papaya is a tasty choice loaded with benefits. Some of these include fighting inflammation, reducing the risk of cancer, and keeping digestion in check. Kiwi. With vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E, kiwis can help with asthma and strengthen the immune system. They also can prevent conditions like the common cold and the flu. Additionally, kiwis can aid in digestion and serve as protection against vision loss. Ginger. This easily available spice does wonders for your body. It lowers cholesterol, eases period pain, and increases the body's ability to fight infections overall. Elderberries. Elderberries are full of antioxidants and are often used to treat various diseases. These purple berries can fight stress and improve the inner workings of your immune system. Oysters. A gift to seafood lovers, oysters are low in calories but full of nutritional value. They are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Consuming oysters can also ensure that your immune system keeps running, thanks to the zinc present in them. They also reduce the risk of diabetes. Spinach. It's no mystery that spinach is good for your health, but apparently, this nutrient powerhouse is also great for your immunity. Spinach is a great source of magnesium which is needed to maintain nerve function, a healthy heart, good blood pressure, and strong muscles. Watermelon. Not only can watermelon keep your skin and hair healthy, but it can also improve your digestion and reduce inflammation in your body. Fruits rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C can give your immune system a boost in 20 ways. To name a few, it can keep your white blood cells healthy, kill unwanted or bad cells, and increase the production of antibodies.